first assembly of the academic year. I'm Chopin.
I'm Nanama.
I'm Adeline.
I am David Safo.
Debbie. I'm Janelle.
We hope you had a restful vacation and welcome back to the school. We are Assembly Team 1 and we are going to be updating you on the events of the past week. And we would also like to extend a special welcome to all our new students and teachers.
Lord, we thank you for today. We thank you for our lives. Thank you for a new semester. Thank you for bringing everyone back to school. We pray for a fruitful semester. Amen.
And now, shall we tune into a message from our beloved Principal, Dr. Ken?
Hello and welcome to our first assembly for the new academic year 2021-2022. I'd like to congratulate everyone on how well you've settled into the new academic year after such a long break. I'd like to give a special shout out to our newbies who are demonstrating themselves to be an exceptional group, and I hope they maintain this reputation all year. I'd also like to give a big shout out to our student leaders and peer support buddies who gave up their last bit of the school vacation to come in and assist with the settling of our newbies. You've obviously done a fantastic job. Well done. A couple of things to remember, please. Integrity is the key word here at Tema International School. It's what you do when no one is watching you. And it's also about protecting the reputation of this great school. I expect to see everyone wear integrity as a badge of honour. After such a long break and probably not wearing masks a lot of times, it can be a little bit hard remembering to wear our masks on all occasions at school. The only two exceptions is when you're in your dorm or when you're reading. Otherwise, please make sure we're wearing our mask. It's too dangerous to not do so, and we need to look after each other and make sure that we stay healthy. A reminder, please, that after school activities sign up was this week. Everyone is required to do at least 3 after school activities in a week. You may do more. And this Friday is the closing date for the Jukies program. I expect all grade 11 students to sign up for the Gold Level Award, as it will be your passport to the future. And just remember, please, that the Jukies program fits in so easily with what we do with after school activities. You don't have to do anything different because you're going to satisfy those requirements. Something that everyone needs to pay particular attention to is being respectful, and I certainly don't want to hear the excuse, "I was only joking," and only joking about. Usually when this happens, someone gets hurt, and usually it's because someone has said something disrespectful about an individual or about a family member. There's no room here at TIS for disrespectful students, where we should be all internationally minded, and that means we need to respect everyone for who they are as individuals. So please, be careful what we say and never make sure that you hurt someone else by their words, because that hurts deeper than if there was violence. If someone is saying something disrespectful to you, just say, "Stop, that is upsetting me." If they continue to do so, please see someone in authority. Congratulations on a great start to the new academic year, everyone. Please enjoy a great week. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Ken.
And now for breaking news. It is likely that most of us have heard of the Taliban takeover that occurred recently. We would like to urge the students to keep the people of Afghanistan in our hearts and minds and prayers. Thank you very much.
Now to the words of the week. The English word of the week is palindrome, which is a word that reads the same forwards or backwards. An example of this word is madame. The Spanish word of the week is sobrenatural, which means supernatural. An example of this in a sentence is algo sobrenatural estaba sucediendo en la casa, which means something supernatural is going on in the house. The French word of the week is chef, which means expensive. An example of this in the sentence is cette robe est très chère, which means the dress is very expensive.
Mental health awareness fact versus myth. The myth is all people with mental health conditions cannot work. But the fact is, majority of people with mental health conditions can work and are just as competent as people without mental health conditions.
And now for our fun facts of the week. Back in the 1900s, there was a performer by the name of Soba Sue, and her act was that she never smiled, and nothing could make her smile. Now, the owners of the show she performed in decided to invite people from all over the globe to try and make her laugh with the prize money of $1,000. Comedians from all over the world came to try and make her laugh, but not one could even make her giggle. It was later found out that Soba Sue had facial paralysis.
From our newbies on their newbies night experience.
Hello, my name is Adeline. I really enjoyed Freshman's Night. I performed with my friends Ofrewa, Afi, Aseye, and Ikuwa, and it was a really fun experience and I loved it.
Hi, my name is Kayla and I was a part of the Freshman's Night. I danced with my friends AJ, Ishira, and Nancy, and we really had a fun time and it was a very warm welcome to TIS.
And for some highlights of our past audience sports. Did you know that more than 95% of African artifacts are located outside of Africa? It's because of this saddening fact that we decided to include a section in this assembly called Artifacts. We are going to be discussing Ghanaian artifacts that are outside of Africa so that we can become more conversant with our heritage and our history. This week's artifact is the Ashanti gold head that is in the Wallace collection, which is in the British Museum, I believe. This gold head was characterized as one of the most impressive pieces of gold artwork from outside Egypt and in the entire sub-Saharan Africa. It's really a wonderful piece, and people should take their time to get educated on these, get conversant with these, so that we can be more proud as Africans. Thank you. Please pay attention to this very important announcement. The deadline for registration for the SAT October is September 3rd, 2021. For grade 11s and grade 12s who really want to take a shot at it, you should try your best to register as soon as possible to make sure that the whole experience goes on without hitch. Thank you. Come to the end of this assembly. Assembly Team 1 and I hope you enjoyed this video, and good luck to all of you for the upcoming week.